Hi first graders, welcome to week 1, day 1 of Wonders. So first we're going to start with identifying rhyme. So if the two words rhyme, I will clap my hands. Listen, fan, man. Do fan and man rhyme? Yes, I'll clap my hands. They rhyme because they both end in the same sounds, an. Listen, f, an, an. We're going to look at some other words that rhyme. And I will give you 3 seconds to think before I clap with you if it rhymes. Okay, sad, bad. Think in your head, do those rhyme? Sad, bad. 3, 2, 1. Yes, because they both have ad at the end. Nap, pan. Nap, pan. 3, 2, 1. No, they don't rhyme. They don't have the same ending sound. Back, pack. Back, pack. 3, 2, 1. Yes, or clap your hands. They rhyme because they both end in ack. Mad, let. Mad, let. 3, 2, 1. No, they don't end the same. And last one, ham, him. Ham, him. The answer is no. They both have a at the end, but the middle sound is not the same. Okay, friends, this week we are really working on the apple card. Now remember, the name of the letter is A. We have uppercase A and lowercase a here. The sound is A, as in apple. A. We are doing short A this week. So we're going to be making some sounds, okay? Ready? Turn your voice on. Map. Word, map. Man. Word, man. Okay. But I can't really blend yet. Now blend. Bad. Word, bad. You'll notice that all of these have an A sound. Tap. Word, tap. Okay, these are sounds we have worked on the past 3 weeks. So I'll give you 3 seconds, then we'll say the word, the sound. 3, 2, 1, ah. 3, 2, 1, s. 3, 2, 1, t. 3, 2, 1, k. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, p. 3, 2, 1, d. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, s. 3, 2, 1, ah. 3, 2, 1, x. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, k. 3, 2, 1, j. 3, 2, 1, f. 3, 2, 1, l. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, ah. Let me pull this up. 3, 2, 1, g. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, b. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, ah. 3, 2, 1, k. Now notice we did have some capital letters. They still say the same sound as the lowercase letter. Okay, let's make some more of those sounds. Turn your voice on. At. Word, at. Turn your voice on. Sat. Word, sat. Now we can't blend with k, so just know k is the first sound. Now blend. And start at the beginning. Cat. Word, cat. Can't blend yet. Now start at the beginning. Can. Word, can. Can't blend yet. Cap. Word, cap. A cap is like a hat. Oh, this is going to be a name because it's an uppercase letter. Nan. Word, nan. Sad. Word, sad. Oh, there's uppercase. It'll be a name. Sam. Word, Sam. Okay, can't blend yet because it would be b. So we're just going to wait. Now blend the whole part. Bat. Word, bat. Okay, here we go. Rat. Word, rat. Axe. Word, axe. Uppercase, it's going to be a name. Max. Word, max. Now this time we're going to take turns. So I'll start, like we'll do it together, and then I'm going to give you 3 seconds to blend it, and then I'll say the word, okay? So we'll do the first one together. We can't really blend yet. Now start at the beginning. Has. Word has. Now this one's tricky because this should say has, but we know it has the z sound at the very end, okay? So let's continue. Your turn. Blend. Blend. Word. Hat. Gnat. Word. Gnat. Your turn. You can't blend yet. Now start at the beginning. Blend. Blend. Word. Pan. Can't blend yet. Pack. Word. Pack. Okay, your turn. That's a name. Blend. Word. Jack. Fat. Word. Fat. Your turn. That's a ol. Blend. Blend. Word. Lap. Can't blend yet. Now blend at the beginning. Tan. Word. Tan. Your turn. Blend. Blend. Word. Ran. Okay, we'll do this one together. Can't blend yet. Now blend. Bag. Word. Bag. Now friends, really quickly, I want to point out, in class I have some friends who will do like ba, and then they won't wait for the last sound and they'll say a different sound. So they'll go like bat. But this word is not bat, it's bag. So you have to make sure you wait to see what the last sound is before you make the word. Okay? Can't blend yet. Now it's your turn. Blend. Blend. Word. Back. Okay, friends. So this is either a name, because there's a capital, it's either a name or the beginning of a sentence. And it's actually both this time. So let's blend this. Pam. Pam is a girl's name. Okay? Pam has a mat. Let's read it fluently. Pam has a mat. And once again, we're looking for that good 5-star handwriting, which means, do we have a capital? Yes, it's a P. Do we have an end mark? Yes, it's a period. Do we have finger space? Yes, we do. Do we have good spelling? Yes. And do we have good handwriting? Yes. So we need all 5 of those to make a sentence. Okay? Here's a new sentence, because the is only a capital when it's the beginning of a sentence. I have some friends who like to put the as a capital in the middle of a sentence, but it's not. It's not a name. The cat can nap. Now read it fluently. The cat can nap. Capital, yes. Finger space, yes. Good handwriting, yes. End mark, period, yes. And spelling, yes. Okay, one more sentence for today. Gnat. Gnat, remember that's a name. Gnat ran back. Now read it fluently. Gnat ran back. Capital, yes. Finger space, yes. Handwriting, yes. Spelling, yes. End mark, yes. You have to have all 5 of those to have a good sentence. A sentence that makes sense. Okay, friends, we're just going to do this. It's a little small, but I'll read it and we'll start. Look at the picture. The letter A can stand for the middle sound you hear in at. So think about what this is. This is a cat. That's right. So we're going to put k. Our first sound is k. At. This is a map. Let's make those sounds. Map. The A goes in the middle. Sorry, that looks like a Q. Okay, this is a pan. Listen for that middle sound. An. This is a fan. Listen for that middle sound. An. Okay, this time read the word. Listen for the short A sound. So this is cat or crib. So the A is with cat. So this is face or fan. 3, 2, 1. The short A is in fan. Map, mop. 3, 2, 1, mop. Okay, you're listening for the ah sound, short A. Pig, pan. Think in your head. 3, 2, 1, pan. Okay, one more page. Okay, read the question, look at the picture, write the answer. So think of what this is. Is this a cat or a can? 3, 2, 1, cat. K, a, t. Is this a map or a mop? Map or a man? 3, 2, 1, map. Sorry, friends, my light went off. Is this a pal? A pal is like a friend, or a pan? 3, 2, 1, pan. Yep. Is this a fan or a man? Look at this picture. 3, 2, 1, fan. Last one. Is this a Is this a cap or a can? 3, 2, 1, can. All of those had the ah sound, the short ah. We're going to read a story today. A sap map. Now, sap is the sticky stuff that's on trees. So we're going to read this story together. 3, 2, 1, ah. Oh, sorry. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, can. 3, 2, 1, see. 3, 2, 1, the. 3, 2, 1, I. Okay, let's read these stories. I'll go over here. A sap map. Okay, let's blend. Pam can see a sap map. Here's her map, and she's looking for that sticky stuff on trees, sap. Now I'm going to give you a second. Nice job. Okay, here's the next part. Pam can see the path. There's the path. Now I'm going to give you a chance to read it. Okay, next part. Let's put it over here. Pam can see a man. Your turn. Okay. So this is a pail, and this stuff in here is sap, and you make syrup out of sap. Okay, here we go. Pam can see a pail. Your turn. Okay, last one. Pam can see sap. Your turn. Nice job. Okay, these are high frequency words. These words help us know how to read. Okay, this word is does. Read the word with me. Does. The word does is spelled D-O-E-S. Spell the word with me. D-O-E-S. Let's write it in the air. D-O-E-S. This says Max does his homework every day. This word is not. Read the word with me. Not. The word not is spelled N-O-T. Spell it with me. N-O-T. Let's write it in the air. N-O-T. It says do not run at school. This word is school. This word is school. Read the word with me. School. The word school is spelled S-C-H-O-O-L. Spell it with me. S-C-H-O-O-L. Let's write it in the air. S-C-H-O-O-L. We read a lot in school. Okay? This is the word what. Read it with me. What. The word what is spelled W-H-A-T. Spell it with me. W-H-A-T. Let's write it in the air. W-H-A-T. What can we play today? Okay, so we're not going to do that actually. We're done. Thanks, friends. I'll see you tomorrow.